It's 2022 and press-on nails are taking over the nation. Hi, I'm Evelyn, founder of LaRue Nails, and these are not your average nails. Our fabulous press-on nails are strong and durable. They can last you up to 3 weeks with proper prepping, and they're super fast and easy to apply. But what makes LaRue Nails different? LaRue Nails is the first to offer matching petties for every mani set. Our nails come pre-sorted and ready to apply without having to sort through mixed up nails. We supply a special debonder that can dissolve the nail glue within minutes with less hassle. We are also working towards more sustainable options for our planet. Our press-on nails are available in 4 lengths: short, medium, long, and extra long. We also offer rings to complete the look. Over time, LaRue Nails will expand to more sizes, more innovative nails, mani-pedi tools, and sustainable options. LaRue Nails are designed to be the most durable, most convenient, and prettiest nails you've ever worn. Thank you for accelerating the world's transition to affordable luxury beauty.